Go ahead, push it. There. Take that pasty out of your mouth. Give me that. Hi. Do you like your truck? Huh? Say thank you, Grandpa. Push it. There you go. Yeah. All right. You gotta turn the wheel, buddy. Turn it. Turn the wheel. Let's just do circles. Make it easier. Yeah. Hi, kitty. All right, push it with your foot. Move, kitty. Move, kitty. You should have ran him over, Michael. Hey. Hi, kitty. Are you gonna drive? Get back on there. Hey, drive your truck. Take that passy out. You don't need that. I know it. All right, push it. There you go. Drive. Is that where you want to leave it? Right there in the middle of the yard? Hey, where you going? Come on, man, drive your truck. Mommy can't drive it. You have to drive it. Yeah. You gotta drive that truck. Hey, no drinking and driving. Well, push the button. Push it with your foot. Push it. Push it. Push it. Gotta push it with your foot. There. Yeah, big truck. Hey, hey, you gotta get this truck back to the garage. Come on. Gotta put it away. No hands? Classic drunk driver. Uh-oh, where are you driving? Uh-oh, where are you driving? You gotta steer. There you go. Do it. Do it, you're doing it. Push the button and steer. You better steer it. There. Okay, now push it. Uh-oh. Watch the flower bed. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Can you smile? Say cheese. Hi. Yeah, are you telling me all about your truck? Yeah, that's a cool truck, man. I don't know. Uh-oh. Let's not go this way. That's you're gonna end up down Miss Mary's hill. Turn. All right, now go. There you go. Go on. I fixed it. Come on. Where you going? Nah, don't go in there. Hey. Hey, come drive your truck. Let's take it back to the driveway. Come on. Get on there. Get on there. All right. Let's go this way. Keep going. No, this way. This way. This way. There. No, not that way. Back this way. This way. There. Go. Yes, go. Beep, beep. Nope, nope, nope. This way. Keep pushing it. This little thing keeps popping off. There. Beep, beep. Yeah, I think Mary found another snake. Come on, let's go. Let's get this thing out of the road. We're almost in the road. How close we are to the road. Okay, come on. Let's go. Sit down. Push the button. I can't get in there. I'm too big. Sit down. I can't. Mommy's too big. Push the button. Let's go. Push it. Let's go. Come on. Push the button. Push it. Come on now. All right. Well, you know what? Mommy's just going to have to do it then. I don't know if I'm going to fit, but... Oh, you don't want me to? Well, then you better get in there. Mommy's too big for that, buddy. Come on. Sit. All right, push the button. There. Keep going. Push it hard. Push it. Push it all the way. Come on, let's go. Push the button. There. Let's take it on the driveway. Push. Push. Keep going. Push. There. Now go. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Whoop, keep going. Keep going. I know, we're going to go see Miss Mary. Come on. Push the button. Whoa, push it hard. Push it hard. Push the button hard. Drive it right into the garage. Keep going. Keep going, almost there. Okay, stop. Stop. Good job. All right, all done. Say that was fun.